Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts, and we have a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am rolling body shell that we're putting up for sale. This body would be a great replacement body for maybe a rusted out car. Body is in great condition. It basically has no rust. We did find a little blister area by the windshield, but we're not sure if that's rust or just paint. We can't get our fingers in there. Very straight body. The roof is dented and shot though. Basically, they had a problem with dogs jumping on the car, and there's a lot of scratches on the bottoms of the quarter panels. They're not dented, but they're scratched up from dogs trying to get to a squirrel or something like that. We got a lot of rats and squirrels out here in the desert. Floors are amazing. There is no rust in the floors. Package tray looks good. The inside of the roof's all good, but the exterior is not. Kind of see all the dents in the roof. The roof was kind of caved in, and we punched it out, but there's really only so much you can do. It'd be great if you were replacing a body on a T-top car and you could just swap the roof. This body shell comes just like you see it, and it does have a clean California title. It's not salvaged. It does steer, and the parking brake works. So it wouldn't be so hard for a carrier to put on the truck. Rockers are all good. It's a nice body. Kind of probably hard to see, but the little blister spot I saw was right here on the dash. The rest of it looks really good. It had a lot of sand in there from the desert. Car sat as a project since 1999. They were going to restore it, and like a lot of things, life gets in the way. Believe the son joined the military. Things just didn't happen. And it sat partially apart for all those years. So anyway, there you go. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am for sale at Frank's Pontiac.